My name is Alzumba and I belong to Sangdam community. X-Pulse it's such a good bike. X-Pulse to iman halka na bin hoy aro iman heavy na bin hoy to Nagaland la road nimi to X-Pulse to solid ase. Recently Zuku chashe and then drone shot lo bole bishi phabije levi. The thing is that it was raining the entire day.
Hi brother, Voice of the East, welcome Grace.
Hello.
First, my viewers can get introduced to.
Okay, my name is Alzumba and I belong to Sangdam community. Moi Kifri de thake aro solo traveler ektas.
Acha abni la content hisab de my viewers can get lab kina guna start kuise aro bike la content de kina guna idea ise do hanek pa ko dibo.
My first start kora the first video start kora the bike lagan nimite koi kina inadi noide start kora na. But then like any random vlogs can start kurise aro na kina moi videos bana khan do moi ekdam khushi pai jaisi na. Aro na kina ekta video YouTube de dikhishe moi to itula video de shorts video de ekta mota ekjon bike de boy kina etia jungle ekta de na birai thakise to itula sai kina ekdam inspiration ekta paise to any lively ekta feel ho ekta bush to itu karni ini moi poi thakise aro na kina camera khan kiba kishi bishi interest hoise after that bike de bi interest hoise to ina hodo bike loi kina ini chaka de piratum de video loi piraise to itula hisab te rai jai kina moto vlogging bis start hoise ina hoise.
Acha thank you. Aro brother apni la bike ke hisab de X-Pulse karne alu koi dibo viewers kan ge.
X-Pulse. I mean, X-Pulse it's such a good bike. X-Pulse to iman halka na bin hoy aro iman heavy na bin hoy to Nagaland la road nimi to X-Pulse to solid ase. As per my experience, it's been already 1 year plus it to X-Pulse to right on to moi. So it tak rasta te major issue ek face one. It tak to now doing let's just say Himalayan to when we ride it can all heavy ho jai na do ekla ho kina in accident ho jai uthai to bole bi all tiktar nishna bi ho jai mala hisab te to na the X-Pulse kan aro rasta bia kan de bi inni mo kan easily jai without ini I to kirile uthawle tiktar ho na itu kan ikun na phabi jai na mo kan to ini it's easy to ride and then like I think Nagaland Pitor de Pirabo wele 200cc wele bi I think it's more than enough.
Acha. Idea X-Pulse new model aina set 220 I guess 220 right? 210. To itu de upgrade group le phapna asnai aro tatila lo budibo.
So far hoy ini upgrade kurubul de munja will be like itla bike to review hisab to pishi policy dia tak to will be like fully dia market de into Nagaland laga market to pumchana na fully so like after test ride itu kan ina hoy kina I think we'll be able to know if it's good or bad.
Acha aro idea apni idea visit kuri bira itu han takahan do par koi dibo.
Kini manu botai chai na ade like saramati bi ek bar jaise aro top te mo han 24 hours nimidi record banai je ekta we slept there to na hodo itu 24 hours la hodo mo kan 7 manu thakise to itu la te bi khumai je aro na kana recently Zuku chashe and then drone shot lo bole bishi phabije levi. The thing is that it was raining the entire day mo kan ja sat pani pura do eda ini mo kan return ho tak ina hoi thakise to itu karni we could not get a good shot or when I cannot there are a lot of places I win but then those two are the I think most popular ones in Nagaland.
Aro next Chaka Noile district to good visit group plan.
Next Chaka Noile district to moi visit kurubul munja do Monday she visit kurubul munja se. I've been planning only moi last time be a plan gurish Monday chabole but due to some work moi I could not go. But then like next month hopefully I'm planning to go.
Was kan do bisi june se bike lovers kan na aro dahan YouTube de bisi target kure se do tahan garni apni la experience loina tahan ki advice dile palo
moi bi etia ini bisi expertise ina bin hoy etia bi moi bi learn hi gure se to YouTube to for me when I look into it so manu nimidi ase bikers ekla noy noy singer ekla nimidi noy dancer ekla nimidi noy actors ekla nimidi noy really like those who have skills na mystery hobby kiki hobby kiti kam kora manu hobby tai kan skills build up kori all video editing la basic taina loikina kori shukul I think YouTube to so manu nimidi ase to it enjoy koribole lage itla to then advantage be low like because it's paying a lot na arena gonna yeah bikers can limited to I think we should just start bike it to palik to logine piravo ina bi noina so if you have your phone and then a small bike then I think that should be fine that should be enough because more 30,000 subscribers in at the 30,000 subscribers above for example to 30,000 subscribers like I was using phone ini sab ini editing kan do phone tibra hi ase to edu karne I think mo kan bra phapina he I to palik equipment loiken noile mo kan start koribole to ini ekdam alchi lagi ra mo kan to edu no ho lagi whatever you have apni la hate ki ase to loikena try koribi skills build koribi to ina hoishibli achieve ho
acha brother aro idea social media platforms so ki use kuri ase aro channel na naam boli alop
social media platforms moi idea active thake to khali Instagram aro YouTube ase to Instagram te do atsungba sangtam ase YouTube te do atsungba eklai ase holibi if you write atsungba sangtam holibi ni social media platform te do ni aija ho
thank you so much brother
thank you so much for having me